A18 features an upgraded 16-core neural engine that is optimized for running large generative models. This neural engine is up to 2 times faster for machine learning. We've also upgraded A18's memory subsystem, including 17% more system memory bandwidth. This is critical to give the chip the fastest, most efficient access to our generative models, as well as drive the performance of Apple Intelligence. A18 is built using second-generation 3nm technology. This 3nm technology has even smaller transistors that are faster and more energy efficient. A18 has our latest generation 6-core CPU with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. These are critical as they're used in nearly every experience on iPhone, including Apple Intelligence. It is up to 30% faster than the CPU in iPhone 15 and up to 60% faster than the CPU in iPhone 12. And thanks to our design and the latest transistors, the CPU is more energy efficient than A16 Bionic and can deliver the same performance using 30% less power. A18 also features our latest desktop-class GPU architecture. This new 5-core GPU plays a huge role in everything from Apple Intelligence to camera features and graphics-intense games. It is up to 40% faster than the GPU in iPhone 15. The GPU is also more efficient than A16, delivering the same performance using 35% less power.